In this video, I'll show you how to upload a file to a Dropbox on Canvas. This works similarly if you're working with Microsoft Word on your own computer or if you're using Google Docs. So first thing you need to do, of course, is find the assignment that you're hoping to submit. So you can do this by going through the modules, and then you'll find your Dropboxes in the modules. Or you can look to the upper right to the to-do list, and you should often find the Dropbox there. So this shows assignments that are open and waiting for submission. So there are really two types of submissions that you will do in this class. The first type is a pretty straightforward submission. I'll use this as an example. And really all you need to do for this type of submission is just go up to Submit Assignment. And then you will be able to upload your file from your computer if you're working with Microsoft Word. If you're using Google Docs, there's an extra step we'll need to do in order to get the file to where you can upload it using this window here. Google Docs, though, offers you kind of an interesting option here where you can click in and link your Google Doc account and then get access to your files directly through this screen. So if you click on this, it'll take you through a couple of steps to get linked up with your Google Docs, and then from there you can just submit your individual files there. The second type of submission you'll do is a little bit more involved. You have to go through Turnitin. So all of your essays have to go through Turnitin. So I'll use this as an example. So click into the Dropbox. And then what you'll find is a different type of button, so you'll need to click into Upload Submission. And from here, you'll have the option to upload the submission from your computer. So if you're working in Google Docs, you'll need to go into your Google Doc, click on File, and then download it as a Microsoft Word. That's a .docx document. And what this will do is it will download it to the Downloads folder on your computer, or on the computer that you're working on. You can then click into it, open it up, and then save it to a specific file or folder on your computer if you want to make it a little bit easier to access. But you can still work from the Downloads folder here. Just make sure that you remember what you entitled your essay. Usually I suggest students use their last name and then the type of essay that they're writing here. Okay, so once you have it downloaded to your computer, you can go back into this window and you'll click Choose File. And then you can go in through, sometimes Recents will open it up for you if you click into Recent Documents, or you can go into your Downloads folder. You can search by name. So I know that mine started with Webster. That's not actually a good, that didn't yield what I needed. So I'm just going to go down and I will find my document here. And then make sure you have the correct document selected. Click Upload and Review, and it will generate essentially a sample for you to check it and make sure that you are uploading the correct document. So once you have it, just go ahead and check it here. Make sure it looks right. You can click through the pages. And then once you're satisfied that this is the correct document that you want to submit, click Submit to Turnitin. And then you'll see this check mark that tells you that your submission is complete. Once it's submitted, you can click in to see the similarity score. And this just shows you how much of the material shows up as borrowed material. Another option, if you are needing to resubmit a file, or if you have more than one file involved in one submission, you can go in through this button to resubmit. And then that will open up the box again for you to resubmit your assignment or to add files to it. All right, please let your instructor know if you have any questions about this.